Effective ways to stop snoring. If you have been looking for ways to stop snoring, but keep coming up short on results, don't give up hope. There are actually many ways to stop snoring, and some of them can even start working tonight. One of the best ways to stop snoring is to change your sleeping position. If you constantly find yourself sleeping on your back, try resting on your side instead. Studies show that people who sleep on their back are more likely to snore than those who do not. Another of the most effective ways to stop snoring is to elevate your head by several more inches with the use of a second pillow. If you currently only use one pillow, try using two instead. Did you know that obesity plays an important role in everything that you do, including snoring? Not many people are aware of this, but being overweight is one of the leading causes of snoring. Therefore, weight loss is also one of the best ways to stop snoring. A well-balanced program of diet and exercise may help you to shed some pounds and curb your snoring problem while also helping to deter future medical problems. If you have allergies, consider the use of air filtration units to help rid your home of airborne allergens. In addition, removing dust, pet hair and cigarette smoke will help you to breathe cleaner air. By doing so, allergy conditions may improve along with snoring. The reason is because snoring is often the result of restricted airways, which is made even worse with the presence of allergies. If you want more definitive results, or are looking for additional ways to stop snoring, consider purchasing an anti-snoring device. One such product, fittingly titled the Sleep Genie, usually works at magic on the first night. Its sleek nylon lycra blend design comfortably supports the jaw while keeping the mouth closed. Have you ever tried to snore with your mouth closed? Exactly. It is impossible, which is why the Sleep Genie is one of the ways to stop snoring and start regaining comfort through the night. This video is intended for informational purposes only. It should not be used as, or in place of, professional medical advice. Before beginning any treatment for snoring, please consult a doctor for a proper diagnosis and remedy. To learn more and test drive the easy snoring and sleep apnea exercises for yourself, click the link below.